I'd like to say a warm thank you to all our supporters for your support for bird conservation through American Bird Conservancy. We could not do this without you. Thank you.
Thanks to our donors who make our work possible, who allow us to continue to persist and persevere, to be bold for birds, and to come up with the range of creative solutions that birds and people need.
Thank you to everyone who supports ABC and everybody who supports the Search for Lost Birds. Your contributions and your help are what make this work possible. Thank you so much.
Without you, we couldn't do this work. You keep us on the front lines, advocating every day to ensure we have a future that is flourishing and wild with species and diversity.
Thank you so much for supporting ABC and for supporting our work in the international program.